everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I went to the Office Max Office Depot website. Now I've noticed that they've been slacking a lot. In the past couple years they used to have some awesome deals on school supplies. Well, they stopped doing that. They used to do penny deals. They stopped doing that. They also used to have a weekly ad. I haven't seen a weekly ad in maybe a year or so. You click on the weekly ad on the website, nothing pops up. But I get emails from time to time. I did get this email where if you guys spend $200 or more, you'll get a free diffuser, which is a $40 value. Wow. So if you guys need to spend $200 at Office Max Office Depot, you can get a free diffuser. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. But back to school stuff, I'm just going to kind of glance through this stuff. I just typed in school supplies, and I typed in stuff that's on school, stuff that's on sale. So I'm just going to kind of quickly go through this with you guys. Now, a couple weeks ago I did buy some batteries, so I have like $27 of credit to use. So I plan on actually going to Office Max Office Depot. I might even just do an online order so I don't have to shop in the store. But I definitely will share with you guys what I get. I just got to figure out when my reward expires. But they do have some big highlighters for $1.99. Now, if you guys do get coupons, you can use coupons in the store for that. So just giving you guys a heads up. So $1.99. Here's a 72 pack of the Office Depot brand pencils for $4.99. The dry erase markers, $3.49. And you guys can all buy this stuff and do pickup. I already said that. I forgot. I'm sorry. But they got some other markers and stuff. Now their Crayola markers are $1.25 and their crayons are 75 cents. At Staples right now you guys can get a box of markers for 97 cents and you can get a box of crayons for 50 cents. So it just depends on what you guys want. I might just do this because I have credit, so why not? They have loose leaf paper for $1.25. The composition books are 50 cents. They do have folder with the prong things for 50 cents if you guys need that. Their notebooks are $1. I feel like we can get notebooks a little bit cheaper, but it just depends on how much you guys want to shop around and go all over the place. It's just totally up to you. Office Max Office Depot erasers, a 3-pack is $1.49. And there is a lot of pages. I'm just going to kind of quickly go through this with you. Colored pencils, $1.25. Highlighters, $1.49. I like it. They have a freaking notebook for $8. Like, who would spend $8 for a notebook, you guys? It's 200 sheets. I understand that, but I have those notebooks that I've gotten pretty much super cheap, and it's 5-star. You can use coupons. 50 cents folders, $1.49 Home Depot highlighters, composition books. Now they're gonna do every single color individually. They have the Ticonderoga, don't even know how to pronounce it all of a sudden, for $3.99. More dry erasers. Now here is Office Depot caps for 50 cents. Highlighters. They got a calculator for $12.99. Now these are the smaller markers for $1.25 for a 10-pack. The books and stuff, I'm just going to keep scrolling right through. They do have the Scholastic, I can't ever say it all of a sudden, color pencils for 89 cents, and there's 12 of them in there if you guys need to do that deal. Otherwise, they have a 12-pack of the Ticonderoga, blah, 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 $1.99. Notebooks, $1, $7, 50 cents for a folder. They have graph paper for $1.99. More other types of graph paper, folders, pencils, highlighters, $1.99. The Scholastic markers are 89 cents if you guys need to do that. Office Depot mechanical pencils, $1.49. $1.49. Now here they have the Office Depot brand Stellar. Their notebooks are pretty good, but they have them for $2.50. I get them cheap. I got so much notebooks from the past, you guys. It's crazy. More notebooks, more pencils, all that stuff. Calculators, $12.99. Let's see what else they got. I'm just scrolling through, but this is how you guys can check. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. I do think the prices at Staples are a little bit cheaper, but it's up to you. Westcott 2-pack of scissors, $1.49. You could always ask if they will price match. Staples, because I bet you they would, because those two are like competition. 50 cents for Scholastic crayons. We got $4 for a notebook, you guys. $4 for a notebook. Yes. Office Depot 12-pack of pencils, 99 cents. We have a thing of glue, 6 sticks for $3.99. And then, let's see what else they got. They got glue, this classic glue for 49 cents. Office Depot dry erase markers, $2.99. More notebooks, and $4.50, $1. Now here they have the Just Basics spiral notebook. This one's 35 cents. So if you guys need a notebook, it says it's 70 sheets for 35 cents. This one's a blue one, wide ruled, college ruled, 35 cents. So that could be actually a pretty good deal if you guys need that for notebooks. And then here are more notebooks for 35 cents. The washable markers, pack of 10, 89 cents. More notebooks. Sharpened wood pencils, $2.49. So that is it for what they have at Office Depot. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will let you know if I see any freebies or easy deals for you guys. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.